5 feet, 80 feet, 90 feet, 50 feet, 65 feet, 75 feet, 80 feet. Yeah, a lot of feet. We've tried every feet there is. The only thing we haven't done is throw our feet in there. We don't want to do that. This shit is cold. Come on, man. Oh, look at that bald eagle. Let's go troll up the bald eagle. Get a good look at it. We got the big national bird. He's up there. Right there dead ahead of me. Sitting on a log. Doing the same thing we're doing. Catching nothing. In any case, we'll get up nice and close because I'm only down about 45 feet. Oh, wait. Oh, he's on the beach. He's on the beach here. I'm going to turn it forward so you guys can see him. Check him out. There he is, folks. Get a good look at him. National treasure. The bald eagle. The symbol of freedom. Freedom and strength. Look at the talons on that little rascal. That's right. We're going to come in close so you can get a good look at him. He's up there. He's on his diving board. He's looking for the Chinook as well. Where are they, Sam? Where are they? Just gonna roll right past this little critter. I'm in 76 feet of water here. I've only got 45 feet of line out. You should be able to get nice and close to this big, great American treasure. The American bald eagle. Read them and weep, China. You suckers. Right? Same goes for Russia, right? They got a rusty sickle and a hammer. What do we got? We got the bald eagle, bitches. That's what we got. Get a good look at him, folks. In his great wisdom. Look at him. We won't get too close. We don't want to bother him. He's fishing too. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He's coming around. He's coming around. He's coming around. Oh, I bothered his fishing session. He is not happy. There he goes. He's coming around. Coming around. Let's circle back around. Where is he going? Where is he going? There he goes. There he is. Coming back into the landing. Ooh, he landed way up there. Oh, it's got a bird's eye view, folks. Get a little look at him. Yeah, big bird's eye view there. Big bald eagle. Up there in the tree looking for Chinooks. Alright, let's get back to fishing before I run my gear aground. Where are we going? There we go. Yikes. I mean, if he's up there fishing, you gotta know there's something here, right? There's more to the story. The bald eagle's up there fishing. I'm not leaving. That's all I can say. We love bald eagles. We love America. We love capitalism. All those great things that made our country what it is today. Coming in 45 feet. Let's have it. Ooh, you got something, buddy? No? You got nothing. Nothing in abundance. That's what he's got. He's just grabbing his pole, making it look like he's fishing. He's just grabbing his pole, folks. There's nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Got the big North River. No salmon, just like the rest of us. Okay. It's out of a $100,000 boat, no fish. Well, here comes some more people. Probably another YouTube subscriber, folks. Watch, he's gonna come up and go, hey man, we watch your videos, man. Right? Yeah, man, make it happen. 45 feet, 4 or 5. 4 or 5 on the hooky scale. That's how we're gonna do it this morning, folks. 45 feet. No one's catching jack, so we may as well go 45 and see what happens.